If you want to make text look like it was actually painted, printed, or projected onto a wall in Gimp, this technique is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to blend text into a wall so it matches the surface instead of just sitting on top of it. This is a great effect for mockups, posters, street art styles, and creative edits, and it only takes a few simple steps. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Gimp tips and editing tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your wall image in Gimp. You want a clear image where the wall texture is visible, whether that's brick, concrete, stone, or even a painted surface. The more detail the wall has, the better this effect will look. Now, select the text tool by pressing T on your keyboard. Click on the image and type out the text you want to place on the wall. For the best results, choose a thick font. Bold lettering usually works better because it picks up the texture more clearly and gives you a stronger blend with the surface behind it. Thin fonts can work too, but they may be harder to see once you start blending everything together. After you've typed your text, go to the Layers panel, right-click the text layer and choose Layer to Image Size. This step helps make sure the text layer fits properly within the canvas before you start transforming it. It's a simple step, but it keeps everything cleaner and easier to adjust. Next, if your wall is angled or tilted in the image, your text needs to match that perspective. Otherwise, it will instantly look fake. To do this, select the Perspective tool or use Shift+P on your keyboard. Then click on the text layer. You'll see corner handles appear around the text. Drag those 4 corner handles until the text lines up with the same angle as the wall, bricks, or stones in the background. Take your time here, because this is one of the most important parts of making the effect believable. Once it looks right, click Transform to apply the change. Now it's time for the blending step. Go back to the Layers panel on the right and find the Mode drop-down menu. It will probably be set to normal by default. Click that and change the blend mode to Overlay, Grain Merge, or preferably HSV Saturation, depending on the look you want. These blend modes help the texture from the wall show through the text so it feels like part of the surface instead of a separate layer sitting on the top. In my opinion, HSV Saturation gives a really nice result for this kind of wall text effect because it keeps the texture visible while helping the lettering blend more naturally into the background. If it looks too strong or too subtle, you can always try the other blend modes and see which one fits your image best. Every wall image is a little different, so a quick comparison can make a big difference. If needed, you can also adjust the opacity of the text layer to make the blend even more realistic. Lowering the opacity just a little can help the text feel faded into the wall, like it has weathered over time or was part of the original surface. That's especially useful for gritty, urban, or vintage edits, and that's really all there is to it. By placing your text, matching the perspective, and changing the blend mode, you can create a convincing text-on-wall effect in Gimp in just a few minutes. It's a simple trick, but it can dramatically improve the realism of your design. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Gimp tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.